Okay, so this is a quick review lesson of writing an equation from 2 points. This is a pretty important skill leading toward algebra, so we're going to take a little time for this. First of all, we know that we are going to write an equation in y equal mx plus b. We have two values that we need to find in that. We need to know m and we need to know b. So I'm going to start by finding m, which is slope, and then I'll find b, which is the y-intercept. So we have 2 points. We can find slope several different ways. We could graph the 2 points and find rise over run between them. We could plug the 2 points into just a little xy table and find the change of y over the change of x, or we could just go to the slope formula. So I'm going to start with finding slope. Number 1, slope. It is the change of y, so it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over the change of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I'm going to label my points x, y. I'm going to call it sub 1, which just means subscript 1 because it's the first ordered pair. And then my other ordered pair, x, y, and I'm going to use subscript 2 because it's the second ordered pair. And so we just plug into this formula. Y sub 2 is 8 minus y sub 1 is negative 7. Then x sub 2 is negative 2 minus x sub 1 is 3. Now I can simplify. 8 minus a negative 7 is like saying 8 plus 7, which is 15, and you could use a calculator to help. And then negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. 15 divided by a negative 5 is a negative 3. So we've got that slope m is negative 3. Okay, next we need to find b. To get b, we can use our equation y equal mx plus b and plug in some things that we know. I'm going to pick one of my ordered pairs. I think I will pick this first ordered pair for x and y. I've already got m, and so I'm going to use this ordered pair for x and y. Here's m, and I just start plugging them into my equation. So y is negative 7 equal m is negative 3 times x, which is positive 3. And our only unknown is b, so I'm just going to write it down and I'll simplify this. So when I simplify, negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. And now we just have a little one-step equation. We will solve by adding 9 to both sides to get b by itself. And that gives us 2 is b. So now I know that b is 2. My very last step is just to write my equation. So I'm going to write it in y equal mx plus b. So y equal m, which we found earlier was negative 3, x plus b, which is 2. And I've written an equation from 2 points.